So this is the part 2, HTML tags explained. So what are these HTML tags? These HTML actually use numerous tags to determine the nature of the page and the way of formatting the contents within. So here what I have discussed here, first of all, the headline tag or the header tag. HTML actually uses six various kind of headline tags or header tags starting from H1 to H6. Actually this determines the size of the fonts. From this previous example, like this one, sorry, it is over here. Now suppose I am using this H1 tag over here. This is the H1 tag, this is a header tag. Now I am introducing a header tag and I am closing it over here. So this line, this is my first website folks, this line actually it comes under H1 tag. So what will be the output or the result? Let's have a look on it. Go to the browser, just press here the reload option. Sorry, I think I have forgotten probably to save this file. So just save this file or press Ctrl S and then go to your site. And here you see that the size of the font is now changed. And not only this, the other part that was coming along with that now drops down and that is now taking place into a new line. So H1 tag or H2 or H3 or H4 or H5 or H6, these sort of tags, they are actually determining the size of the font, the line height, space between the lines, and first of all and the most important of them, the property that we are talking about, that they are just making your texts come up by lines. So every time you apply a new tag like H1 or H2 up to H6, all those text inside those text will be coming down into a new line. They will be forming into a new line. Like let's see here. Now I am just selecting this part and I have now provided here H2. Now for the sake of understandability I just kept it as it was, or if you have any confusion I am just placing these things side by side as these things are. So according to our general rule of understanding this thing so far, these things should come side by side, not forming a new line over here. But now if we just press Ctrl S over here and we just reload this page, we'll be seeing that this is the second tag. It has taken place into a new line and it has prevented the next line or next text to appear just along with it. It just pushes the next line to form into another or new line. Like this. I am now using H3 tag. Over here. Then I am placing the H4 then I am placing here H5 and H6. Now I am pressing Ctrl S. As we have placed some header tags over here, they are just aligning themselves into a new line. So this is the function of header text. They will place your text into, they will make your text come into a new line first, and they will then orient themselves vertically as you are seeing over here. And the main problem here is that the size of the font, the line height, the spacing between each individual lines, those all will be restored by the default value, as we have seen here in this case, in this particular case, preview of headline text, like we have seen here, hello cruel world, how are you this morning. I repeated the same line with different header tags. This is the H1 tag, this is the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and we see that the H6 has the lowest font size here and H1 has the highest font size, as we are seeing actually over here. H1, we placed here the H1 tag, so H1 has the highest font size over here and H6 has the lowest font size over here. This is the okay. So I think you are now acquainted with this header tags. Now let's get back into our other things.